Scotty.
Actually, this is more.
This is more Scotty's realm?
This is more Scotty's realm. Because
Okay.
mine is, I can take the dent out and then do all my stuff and you'll never see it once I paint
We'll
it.
see how many dents there are.
Yeah. There's that one. So
2, 3. Up in here is bowed at the top. You're bowed here. Here. This has got a dent. There's a dent there.
All right, Captain Nitpicky.
Yeah.
So,
Let's stick to the top 3.
And is it super thin?
it's not as thin as you would think. It's actually pretty decent.
No, but he's got the tools and the sandbag and
To do all that.
he has actually more patience for that than I do, but he has more experience with it. You know, I'm good at doing this stuff.
Yes, I have more experience at beating things off.
What the fuck did you run through in my car?
A puddle.
Jesus Christ.
It was fun. It was a puddle. You said don't wash it.
Okay, so
Did you not?
let's carry on.
Carry on. Ooh.
So
Allie runs this show.
we need to pull the radiator.
Easy.
And all,
Keep it up or not?
Yeah, it's got its own thing.
Little stand up.
It's got a chingaderas.
Keep it up.
No, let it. No, it'll do it itself. It just goes on its own. Yeah. It's got its automatic thing.
So is that
So-
thing?
Luna's exploring.
she just does that. So radiator, we pull that out, and then there's bolts. It'll be much easier to get to for this guy.
All right.
And we'll give it to him.
Is the radiator already empty?
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't filled it yet.
That's why we want to do
Oh,
this now.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
But do not damage the radiator. We had Gary at Bob's make it bitchin'. So don't fuck it up. Okay, so we know what we're doing here. Over to our next show and tell. Oh, girl.
Oh, girl.